people, welcome to a Tahiti Dance Fitness class and welcome to Tahiti as well. I'm still in Tahiti for a few more days back home and we're going to have a great workout together directly from Tahiti. I have prepared for us a super fun class, great workout, great warm-up and some basics. Okay, during class I want you to extend your hands at all time, make wide big hands gestures and big hips motions. I want to see you sweat and have a great workout together. Let's go, let's get started. Yaurana, hands on the hips and walk. Inhale, inhale up, exhale down. Deep breath, that's one. Inhale up, exhale down. Open those feet apart, head side to side. Up and down. Rotate. Reverse. Yes. And stay there. And go. Let's go. Hey. Up. Down. Go. Up. Down. Turning to the front. Just walking, yeah? To the back, let's go. Add some hands. Up, up. Back. Again. Last one. Yes. Step touch. Circle, stay, drop. Circle, stay, two more. Big motions, big steps. Last one. Yes, stay here, come to the right. Hands, 1, 2, down. Kiss. We got this. Carry on. Open your feet apart. Hip width. Ready? Roll your shoulders backwards. Smile. Hands out and hold these hands up. Okay? Over here. Bend your knees. Ready? Right. Left. Right. Push those hips big and wide. Relax your neck and shoulders. Right. Left. Right. Left. Go. Twist. Twist to the front corners. Your feet and your knees are following along. Stay there. Go to the front. You see I'm pushing my pelvis front and back. Go. Front, back, front, back, hands up, front. Are you squeezing forward? Engage your core. Rolling. It's getting hot here. Rolling. One of those hands. Reverse. Shake. Go, 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 go. basics now. So let's go for some basics. I'm putting a really local song here. Feet together, bend your knees, relax, and let's go. Right side, left side, right side, left side. Ready? I can move. Right, left, right, left. Go. Push those hands. Yes. There we go. 4, 3, 2, 1. Awesome. Ready? Other hands. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Switch. 1, 2, 3. Leg toe. 5, 6, 7. Up tempo. 1, 2, 5, 6. Let's go. Ooh, it's getting hot here. Yes, to the front. 1, 2, stay. 1, to the back. Let's go. 2 more. With a smile. Yes, to the side. 2 steps. Don't forget that tap. 2, tap 2. Move those hips. Yes, go. 1, 2. Awesome, ladies. Hands. 1, 2, boom. 1, 2, boom. 1, 2, boom. 2 more. 1, 2, 1. Last one. 1, 2, 1. Stay there. Bend your knees. Back straight. Okay? Here we're gonna move forward. Twist. 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 My feet are following my hips motion. 4, 3, 2. Other hands. Right. Yes. Left. Good. 2 more. Right. Good. Yes. Awesome. From the top. 1, 2, 3. Stay. Left. 1, 2, 3. Stay. Front. Back. Shake those hips. To the side. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2 more. 1, 2. Last. Remember the value, the figure 8. Twist. 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 Smooth. 2 more. Twist. 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 Stay here. Right. Come back. Left. Again. Right. Bend that hip out. Go. Right. I'm sweating already. Right. Left. Other hand. Right. Come back. Left. Switch. Right. Left. Again. Right. Back. Those hips. Right. Left. Yes. Inhale. Good. 2 more times. Last one. Keep walking. Yes. Stay here. Next step. Over here. Right foot forward. Like this. Not too far, not too close. Ready? And I want you to roll. 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 Keep going. Roll. Roll. Hands. Roll. 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 Switch foot. Roll. Roll outside, yeah? Rolling to your left. Okay? Let's go. Roll. 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 Switch side. Roll. 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 Switch side. Roll. Hands. Roll. Yes, from the top. 1, 2, 3. Stay to the back. 1, 2, 3. Woo. Getting very hot. 1, 2. Make those hips move. Go. 1, 2. Yes, to the side. 1, 2, 4. 2 more times. Last one. Stay. Twist. Twist. Big hip motion, ladies. And everyone. Go. Twist. 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 Ready? Bam. 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 Go. Bam. Bam. Push. Push. Strong. Strong. In. Boom. Yes. Boom. Ready? Rolling. 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 Switch. Rolling. 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 Bigger. Last. Rolling. 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 Stay. Woo. Yes. 2 more times. Awesome. We're gonna go like this. Hop. Rolling. Hop. Rolling. Move forward when you do that. Are you rolling those hips? And then we step back. We step back. And we stay here, okay? So let's go. Ready? Hop. I want you to jump a little bit. Jump. Roll, 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 roll. Jump. Roll, 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 roll. Jump. Move forward. Roll, 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 roll. Jump. Roll, 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 roll. Step back. 1, 2, 3. Stay. Tiptoes. Tiptoes. On your tiptoes. Shake those hips. Yes. And we go. Jump. Roll, roll. Jump. Roll, roll. I'm sweating like crazy. Already, if you're not, you have to push harder, okay? To the back. Step, step, step. Tiptoes, tiptoes. Yes. Front, front. Roll. Front, roll. Front, roll. Are you rolling? Front, roll, roll. Back, back. 2, 3, 4. Tiptoes. Tiptoes. Stay there. Walk. Woo! From the top. Hey. 1, 2, 3. 1. Back. 1, 2, 3. Last one. Let's go. 1, 2, 3. 1. Go. 1, 2. Move the hips. 1 to the side. Side. Close. 2 last. Are you pushing those hips? Yes? With your smile. Go. Stay here. Twist. Twist. Switch hands. 2 more times. Go bigger. Yes. Switch. Ready to bump it out? Push. Strong. Push. 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 2 more. Push. Strong. Strong. Go. Strong. Awesome. Roll it out. Roll to the right. Roll here. Roll to the left. Roll. Switch. Roll to the right. Roll. Switch. Roll. Roll. 2 more. You can roll 2 times or 1 time. Roll. Roll. Yes. Stay here. Remember, we go to the front. Front. Roll, 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 roll. Switch. Front. Roll, roll, roll fast. Switch. Front. Roll, 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 roll. Switch. Front. Roll, 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 roll. To the back. 1, 2, 3. Stay. Tiptoes. Turn to the right. Tiptoes. To the front. Front. Roll, roll, roll. The song is finished. And present. There we go. Alright, so last part over here. Come back here. You're going to roll as fast as you can, like this, feet apart, and then feet together, and keep rolling. Remember to move your knees, okay? Ready? Let's go. Hey, roll, 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 roll. strong core. Don't move your shoulders. Allez. Let's go, let's go. Go. Roll those hips. Make sure you're moving your pelvis forward and backwards. Feet together. Let's go. Stay there. Move. Make a roll with those hips. Push your pelvis front and back. Keep going. A few more. A little faster. And relax. Well done. Let's have a quick cool down. Inhale up. Exhale down. One more. Inhale up. Woo. Last one. Inhale up. Very good. Stay there. One leg forward. Feet pointing upwards. Your toes are looking up. And lean forward with the back straight. Give me your stretch. Switch side. Oh, I'm so sweating. Like crazy here. There you go. Few more. Inhale up. Go down. Legs straight, back straight. Go towards the ground. And if you can, touch the floor. Otherwise, just lean forward, downwards. Stay 4, 3, 2, 1. Roll up. Inhale. Exhale. 2 more. Deep breaths. Last one. Inhale. Exhale. Awesome. Well done on today's class. I hope you had fun and I look forward for our next class together. Feel proud of yourself always. Big kisses your way and see you soon. Bye.